Here we're going to look at using our graphing calculator to solve an equation. So they give us an equation that says 3 times the log of 3 minus x equals x minus 1. So for anything, if I type the left and right hand side in as two separate equations here, picture what I'm looking for is I want to know when is this equation equal to this equation. So if I put the left hand side in as 1 and put the right hand side in as 1, so now if I go and look at the graph, if I'm trying to find out where these two are equal to each other, it would be where they cross. And it looks like they cross maybe right here and maybe right here. And then remember, if I want to calculate anything on my graph, this second calc button. So if I put second, calculate the intersect, where do these two functions run into each other? What point are they equal at? And so then it pops up, it'll say first curve. It doesn't matter where you are, just make sure that at one point you're on one of the graphs and hit enter, and then make sure you're on the other graph and hit enter, and then guess where does it look like they cross. So it looks like they cross right about here. I'll hit enter, and I find out if I round to the nearest hundredth, like the directions say, negative 0.71 is one solution, and so then I'll do the same thing to find my other one. Second, calculate the intersect, as long as I'm on one curve and then on the other one. Sometimes it's a good idea to scroll away just to make sure that it got both of them. And then guess where it looks like they cross, 2.73. So you can find solutions that way by putting the left and right hand side of your equation in as two separate graphs, finding out where they're equal.